Kia ora team, building southwest swell for the west coast, getting up to 2 metres this weekend, plus a rare long period northern hemisphere swell on the northeast coast. Small but punchy, full analysis and Kiwi run cams at goodsurfnow.co.nz. Righto, west coast have a building southwest swell from a low pressure system that slid under the country Saturday. Starting small Saturday morning, then building up to 1.5 to 2 metres, we reckon by Sunday. The winds are doing that similar curve again, westerly and northwesterly in Taranaki and Kapiti respectively. Then as you head north into Northland are going a bit southwesterly. Sunday the winds should back off significantly with possible offshore pockets of good surf around. More detail on the site. Maybe not super clean on the beaches, but the points should have waves. Kapiti's got wind swell with northerly onshores at grovel conditions there. On the northeast coast there's a really interesting northern hemisphere swell coming out of a massive storm that was off Japan earlier in the week. The same swell which hit Hawaii. The swell's small because of the distance it's had to travel and it's had to filter through the Pacific Islands. It'll be half a metre or so when it gets here, but it's 16 to 17 seconds, so the sets will pack a punch when they arrive, but there'll be long lulls between. These northern hemi swells favour the north-facing swell magnets with structure. Winds are going to be offshore most of the weekend, but it could go cross-shore or cross-onshore late Sunday. Realistically, it's going to be longboard or groveler mode most of the weekend. I reckon there's plenty more swell brewing off the east coast for next week, with more subtropical lows forming though. Something to look forward to. And east and south coast below East Cape have a fading south swell from Thursday, Friday, with a new little south swell hoping to fill in Saturday Arvo and Sunday. That swell will hopefully hit most of the east coast of both islands, but we expect it to focus more on the south-facing swell magnets, including the south coast wellies, where you might need to travel a bit to maximise for the swell. Head east perhaps. Have a mint weekend team. Yo!